December is frankincense month.
I have to talk about frankincense.
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 Frankincense is huge.
I'm excited because this bottle is just about done and I need another one.
I love frankincense.
It's nicknamed the king of oils.
The king of oils.
The king
of all oils.
It has been around for over 5,000 years.
I can't even begin to tell you how long it's been around.
In the ancient world, there were few items considered to be of greater worth and value than frankincense.
It's mentioned in the Bible.
If it was good enough to bring it to baby Jesus, probably good enough for us today.
So I'm just going to tell you, frankincense
Is amazing.
Everybody needs frankincense.
What does frankincense do?
Why do we actually love it? Why does it do what it does?
We use it all three ways, aromatically, topically, and we actually take it internally.
It is awesome for the skin.
It's grounding. It's very earthy.
It's very anti-aging.
It can help to improve concentration.
It can help with the cellular function in our body.
It's also very calming.
I mean, we're talking like epic levels of chill.
I love
this.
I love this oil.
I put 2 drops under my tongue every single morning.
It tastes like a tree.
If in doubt.
When in doubt.
When in doubt.
In doubt, get the frankincense out, y'all.
So much scientific research.
So many articles, so many studies have been published.
Go look it up. Go look up these studies that are being done.
Society, we're finally catching on.
Humans are rediscovering frankincense and the power behind this oil.
It's been absolutely life-changing.
Why not use this beautiful gift?
Challenge you to try it out.
What are you waiting for?
So many amazing things. Like, what can you not do with frankincense?